Will the constant application of pre-emergent on my lawn eventually interfere with microbial activity? And this is Mr. Buster from Elkton, Maryland. So what do you think about that question, Peter?
Well, I have a couple questions for him. When you say constant application, it's really important on any chemical that you use to make sure that you follow the label instructions. Right. You know, a lot of work has gone into the research for figuring out exactly how much of this chemical does good. Mm-hmm. Too much of that or applying it in a different way, even if you are, you know, if it says to apply, let's say 1 pound per 1,000 square feet twice a year, well, if you do it 4 times a year, you're over applying it, even though it might be spread out by 4 months. Also, you know, for pre-emergent, you're not going to kill something that's already growing. Right. So it's not a good reactionary chemical to use. But if you do too much, yes, you will disturb your microbial activity in the soil. And there's a lot of research that goes into finding out how much of it will not create a noticeable decrease in microbial activity. So, you know, you put any chemical on something, it'll hurt the microbes. If you put too much chemical on it, that's when you get into your big problems, because microbes bounce back pretty quick.
Right. They'll come back.
Yep.
They will.
Yep.
Well said, Peter. Anything you'd like to add to that, Joel?
Well, that sounds good.
Yeah, it's real good. And I would like to mention too, so we're talking about those microbes or those microorganisms, right? So we're talking about bacteria and fungi. So what they're going to do over time biologically is actually they're going to actually kill a lot of those herbicides that are in the soil, right?
Yeah,
or feed on them. And they're going to use them for energy.
Right.
Right. So it eventually goes away and just uses energy.
That's right.
Right.
Which is why that's what it's designed to do.
Right.
Because it's supposed to be good for the environment eventually after it breaks down.
Yeah, so it does that biologically. So there you have it. Read and follow the label. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.